I'm vlogging right now. What's good, boy?
It's the foam king right here, man. You already know, man. BX, stay up, baby.
Peace. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. About to take a trip to Valaire's. Yes! I got some pants, like some dressy pants. They gotta get right, gotta get fitted. Because if you're just rocking them out the store stock, they ain't yours. Message! Yeah, so we about to go out there. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. You already know, but right now, these joints is looking like some North Rockland game. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jadakiss, man. Alright, but anyway, yeah. I'm gonna get them joints hit, and I don't know, man. Just follow me, man. I know how y'all like them views, so we're gonna do a little interlude, intermission. Show you some views of the Bronx. It's a nice, beautiful day. Kind of cold, but, you know, follow me.
I'm on time machine. I have my shares of ups and downs. Face my fears when no one's around. I had enough time today. I'm on time machine.
I know that I'm God, but I ain't playing crazy. I know pain, look at me, I done paid the price.
Alright, so you already know where we at, man. Valaire's, 2855 Webster. Oh, shout out to the homie that stopped me too, man. I appreciate that. About to get right up in here. You already know, man. Come check him out. Tell him I sent you.
Excuse me.
I hate when people like, yo, tell him I sent you, ladies. But yo, hey.
Busy.
Okay.
Got things to try them?
Yeah, things are true. Yeah, everything pretty much
Right,
try.
and then record
All
me
right,
because
cool.
I have...
Except for this, I just got holes in with a stitch.
Okay,
Like
those are
kind of
supposed
pop
to
it out.
be right.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, see these joints right here. These definitely looking like some dickies. You know what I'm saying? Word. Can't do it like that, player. I'm gonna show you how he works his magic. Word.
You want a ham and make this slang leg?
Young sons don't talk about advise you not to say. Try to jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cookies, I just cooked it, how we looking. Dumb chumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cooked it, where the cookies, I just cooked it, how we looking. Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy.
Like that? Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, that's like North Rockland.
That's ugly.
Yeah, bring it down. You know, to the Bronx. You know, if the ham.
Oh, you
like,
want a list?
Yeah, God.
Oh, I thought you want to dress him like the regular...
Oh, I mean, this I don't like, but I bought these because I know you know how to.
Ugly anyway.
Yeah, okay.
I wouldn't leave this.
All right. Make sure y'all check out Valaire's, the best tailor in the Bronx right here.
Okay.
You Dapper Dan for the Bronx. Yeah. All right, so we in and out of there just like a robbery. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when we get back, and then I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. Hit me out for like 250. Let me get 250 likes, man. Shout out to Valaire's, always looking out. I'm coming back on Saturday to pick up my joints.
That's good to know.
I got 3 pants, well, 5 pair of pants. He got to do something with the jeans. The seaming kind of split. I think I'm gaining a little weight, whatever. The thing is with that bullshit ass hem, them shits was looking like Jenkos, but I knew he know what to do, but I just had to make sure. But yeah, nah, you heard him. He gonna take care of me. Word. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product in.
Still a beast, though. Call me glue hoe, stick it to the cheek hole. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, then I reload. Them songs don't talk about advise you not to say. Try to jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cookies, I just cooked it, how we looking. Them chumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. But you cooked it, where the cookies, I just cooked it, how we looking. I brought a ticket and I spent it right on some dope shit.
Acting like this is on foot. I remember these. He got that hem up out of him.
Before and after.
Yeah. These were real baggy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm good now.
A message to the Oreo cookie.
Y'all didn't want to see me over here. Y'all did not want to see me over here. In and out of there. Yo, shout out to Valaire. He didn't know who Dapper Dan was. Damn. Valaire was Dapper Dan before that. Nah. Shout out to Dapper Dan though. This is the Bronx Dapper Dan here. That's wild though. Valaire didn't know who Dapper Dan was. He asked his lady. She knew the definition. There's an elderly lady in there. He was like, "What is Dapper Dan?" She said, "Like a fancy dresser." A fancy dresser, yeah. I was like, okay. But yo, you like this vid? Yo, hit me up for 300 likes on this joint. Valer does some great work. You saw the pants before, and you see these joints after. Total difference. You know what I'm saying? If I stepped up in my new job with them shit straight off the rack,
I will do no such thing.
You know what I'm saying? They'd be like,
Hey, what's up, brother? You a little late for the Christmas pageant. Say, brother, you been shopping at the Goodwill? He looks like a clown.
none of these pants cost more than like 24 bucks. And now I got them taken in for that extra. Boom. It's just looking good. Yo, shout out to Valer, man. Like I said, 300 likes on this joint. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Everybody that's been commenting, all that. You already know. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups.
Fuck you.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know that's my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.